Word of the day in English. Snuggle. Snuggle meaning to curl up comfortably or cozily. Past tense. Snuggled. Gerund. Snuggling. I like to snuggle with my cat to stay warm. I like to snuggle with my cat to stay warm. The dog snuggled its nose between the pillows. The dog snuggled its nose between the pillows. The boy snuggled close to his mother. The boy snuggled close to his mother. The baby snuggled his head against my chest. The baby snuggled his head against my chest. Winter is a time for snuggling under blankets. Winter is a time for snuggling under blankets. To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.